Today we're going to talk about the best plumbing insurance brokers and providers in New York. Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle, and I'm all about knowledge and education for our clients and prospects. If you're old enough to remember the commercial from Simms, which was a discount clothing store warehouse retailer, before warehouse retail was a thing, the owner, Cy Simms, used to say, "An educated consumer is our best customer." And I think that's very true of business insurance as well. You found this article because you're a plumber or plumbing contractor located in New York and you're doing research on business insurance for your contracting company. We believe in healthy competition, so we've put together a list of well-regarded local companies to consider along with the Coyle Group for your plumbing insurance needs. Now, you may be asking, why would we showcase or list our competition? Well, that's because we've developed a reputation for being honest and transparent with our services. We're often asked, who were some of your main competitors in New York? And while I think my firm is well suited to meet your business insurance needs, it's never a bad idea to compare. Fair competition is healthy and good for business, all businesses. So with that in mind, here's an alphabetical list of some of the insurance brokers and providers in New York writing plumbing contractors. The first is Castle Rock Insurance Agency. Castle Rock is a New York City-based insurance agency located downtown on Broad Street. They write business and personal insurance as well as surety bonds, and they represent a broad list of insurers. They also have a quote intake form on their website to get started on a plumber's insurance quote. Second is Inforce Coverage Group. Inforce has a big focus on workers' compensation insurance because both principals of the agency, Patrick Ryder and Patrick Scanlon, both worked at First Cardinal Corporation, which was a workers' comp specialty firm. They are located in New York City at One Penn Plaza and frequently write on contractors' insurance on their website. Next on the list is GeneralLiabilityInsure.com. General Liability Insure is doing a great job with their SEO and rises to the top of many contractor insurance searches. They describe themselves as a commercial insurance agency that helps small businesses find the commercial insurance they need fast. They are neither an insure tech firm nor a traditional insurance agency. Rather, they look to cut the red tape and offer fast and easy quoting online. They're also located in multiple states in addition to New York. Next up is GRBM Insurance. GRBM is a family agency located in Brewster, New York, operated by the McCarthy family. Working with customers from New York City, Long Island, Westchester County, and the Hudson Valley, they do a great job with online SEO and represent many of the top insurers for contractors of all types in New York. Next up is The Hartford. The Hartford is a big brand name insurer that's been in business for over 200 years. They are dominating the online search game and offer online quoting and a variety of products for plumbing contractors. I'm just not sure where an online quote ends up, meaning are you serviced by an employee of the Hartford or one of their independent agents like me? Last on the list, but not least, is the Ryan Agencies. They are located in the southern tier of New York with 3 offices, established in 1962. They have lots of great customer reviews and a broad range of insurers writing home, auto, motorcycle, and pet insurance as well as contractors. So there you have it, a list of the top firms writing insurance for plumbing contractors and plumbers in New York for you to consider for getting quotes for your business insurance. Now, I mentioned a few of these providers have online quote forms or quoting engines on their websites, and I want to give you my thoughts on that. Quite frankly, I'm not a big fan of online quoting or quote forms, and here's why. With forms and self-quoting, you are being asked to do the work and to become the insurance expert. You need to understand what you need and how to get that done the right way. It's also time consuming, and you're using your valuable time running down a bunch of different rabbit holes searching for the right and most affordable coverage. And as the old adage goes, time is money. You might be asking, what's the solution then? To me, the solution starts with a call to an expert who's going to ask you, what's motivating you to seek alternative quotes? What's driving you to seek alternatives? And what's most important to you? Then you let that expert go to work to solve your problems or your situation. To me, we call this the Coyle difference, and you can see more about that here in this video. Look, regardless of who you choose for your business insurance, we'd love to be one of the companies you consider so we can show you how to put the Coyle difference to work for you. You can schedule a call directly on my calendar with a link below to get started on that conversation. Oh, and one last thing. If you're not sure how to choose the best insurance broker for your plumbing business, check out our free contractor insurance checklist, which includes questions you can ask when speaking with any of the brokers listed here to help you make a better decision. A link to that checklist is below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.